Hey there, and welcome back. In this tutorial video, we're going to take a look at how you can export and import data into SportsBench. So first off, we're going to go over how to export. And for that, you come in to your dashboard, you go on to SportsBench, and then export. And then you can select what table you want to export. So we're just going to go with teams. And you save the file. And now you have it as an exported CSV file. Now we want to go in and import it into a different website. So for that, we again come down to SportsBench, and then we select import, and then we're going to select teams, and then we'll find this file. And now we should see that all of our teams have been imported into our new website. And that's how you use the import and export functionality with SportsBench. To learn more about SportsBench or to see other tutorials about how to do other things, be sure to visit sportsbenchwp.com.